manufacturing activity continues to improve, while the services sector is maintaining a steady pace. Looking ahead, domestic factors such as healthy agricultural prospects, continued impact of GST rationalization, benign inflation, healthy balance sheets of corporates and financial institutions, congenial monetary and financial conditions should continue to support economic activity. Continuing reform initiatives, moreover, would further facilitate growth. On the external front, services exports are likely to remain strong, while merchandise exports face some headwinds. External uncertainties continue to pose downside risks to the outlook, while speedy conclusion of various ongoing trade and investment negotiations which the government is undertaking with various countries and jurisdictions present upside potential. Taking all these factors into consideration, real GDP growth for this year is now projected at 7.3%. This is up by about 0.5% from our earlier projections. Q3 is projected at 7% and Q4 at 6.5%. Real GDP growth for Q1 next year is projected at 6.7% and Q2 next year at 6.8%. The risks are evenly balanced. I will now move to inflation. Headline CPI inflation declined to an all-time low in October 2025. The faster than anticipated decline in inflation was led by correction in food prices, contrary to the usual trend witnessed during the months of September and October. Core inflation CPI remained largely contained in September-October, despite continued price pressures exerted by precious metals. Excluding gold, core inflation moderated to 2.6% in October. Overall, the decline in inflation has become more generalized. Turning to the inflation outlook, food supply prospects have improved on the back of higher kharif production, healthy rabi sowing, adequate reservoir levels, and conducive soil moisture. Barring some metals, international commodity prices are likely to moderate going forward. Overall, inflation is likely to be softer than what was projected in October, mainly on account of the fall in food prices.